Boom. Okay. The camera is set. Set is prepared and ready to roll at the chilling spot. This one I put the external microphone on the GoPro. I'm saying it so when I look at the video I know, and I want to see if there's a difference or if it's still making a funny noise. So I will review today the quotes at the end of the book. Pretty much, I gotta finish this. That's what I'm doing at home on my own review, because I put a whole bunch of quotes and notes, Truman quotes and notes in the book. So that's what I will review. Yeah. Yeah. Wait 2 minutes. Oh shit. Just want to take it.
Hi guys, it's me, Daddy. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Woo! We're paddling together. Forever. I'm paddling.
Okay. Just went to take off my vest. It's a bit hot here. The summer is at our door. Yeah, but it's start to feel like it. Yeah, so my sacred mission statement. Let's start with that today. I will prosper at home first. I think this is accurate. This is stating accuracy. It's very coherent. Yeah, you gotta be prosper at home. I think if you can't, but again, that's another part that it's always a challenge, I find, to not to get along, but to go with other people's state of mind when you live with someone else. Like, you gotta go along a bit with their state of mind, but at the same time remain with a high scope on your journey. If you're taking the journey to the magnificent you. So yeah, I think being prosper at home, aiming for prosperity at home first, and then I think if you can manage that, being prosper at home and succeed. It's more not having a great family sense so much. I think it's not just coping with other people. It's more the art of coping with other people, with other beings. I have to stop saying people. But the art of coping with other beings. So yeah. So yeah, I must. At home first, I will seek plus merit quintessence support. I have changed a few stuff in there. I have reviewed this already, but it's just to see if it still resonates. So I will seek plus merit quintessence support. But support, it's not the quintessence. It's all around us. That's the fifth. That's nature. That's how I call nature. Nature support or quintessence. I prefer quintessence than nature. Because nature, like I told you, it's the word torture come from there, and torture, nature, all the chur, shun, all this, shun, ness, all that stuff. So yeah, we'll seek plus merit quintessence support. Yeah, it's a must. And that, I think you get it by getting out of yourself a little bit, by getting out of your shell, by moving out of your can't say if it's comfort zone, but moving out of your of the illusion that what your life has always been. Like if you can move beyond that illusion that you think life is, and because whatever we think life is about, it's so much more. It's always so much more. Like when I look at life, I see something immense. When I look at the earth, when I look at the beings on the earth, but we don't see ourselves very, very immense and part of that quintessence. We don't find ourselves joining the quintessence vibe. We're very, very apart from the quintessence. Quintessence is also, bringing the 5 element into your being. The element is elemental. That's why you go to elementary school. The element, yeah. Quintessence, yeah. And the 5th element being the ether, yeah. The ether, very powerful, very powerful. I don't think we have I think anyway that the most powerful stuff in the world is with it's all the unseen. It's all the stuff that is unseen, I find. All the forces, the great forces. I will not compromise with honesty plus integrity. Or integrity, I'm gonna change it here for or integrity. I will not compromise with honesty or integrity. I think that's maybe the hard part, is to be honest with ourselves and not break our integrity. That's completely align and let go of your sinning stage. Your sinning, because we're all we're all stuck in sin. It's a sin. A world built on sin. Build on love too. When you look outside of yourself, you see something built on love, build on quintessence support. But when we look inside of ourselves, sometimes we get pretty shocked at what we can find there, what we can, yeah. So not compromise with honesty or integrity. I'll be forward again.